Good morning everyone. My name is Syed Akbar Ali Salman, branch Triple E from ISL Engineering College. Roll number is 16051773403. And now I am discussing about the topic is hydrogen oxygen fuel cell, which is from RET. Now we have discussing about hydrogen oxygen cell. Here some points are written. 40% KOH solution as electrolyte ion exchange membrane. The membrane is non-permeable to the reactant gases, hydrogen and oxygen, which thus prevents them from coming into contact. The membrane is however permeable to hydrogen ions, which are the current carriers in the electrolyte. The desired properties of an ideal ion exchange membrane's electrolyte are high ionic conductivity, zero electronic conductivity, low permeability of fuel and oxidant, low degree of electroosmosis, high resistance of dehydration, high resistance to its oxidation or hydrolysis, and mechanical stability. Now, what is a fuel cell? A fuel cell, an electrochemical device that combines hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity with water and heat as its byproduct. Common fuel cell by electrolyte, alkaline fuel cell, short form is AFC, phosphoric acid fuel cell, PAFC, polymer electrolyte membrane fuel cell, PEMFC, molten carbonate fuel cell, and solid oxide fuel cell. By fuel, hydrogen or air oxygen, reformant gas, direct methanol fuel cell, carbon. By operating temperature, high temperature versus low temperature cells. Major type of fuel cells. In general, all fuel cells have the same basic configurations: an electrolyte and two electrodes. Different types of fuel cells are classified by the kind of electrolyte used. The type of electrolyte used determines the kind of chemical reaction that take place and the temperature range of operation. Working of a fuel cell: an anode catalyst oxidizes the fuel, usually hydrogen, turning the fuel into positively charged ion and negatively charged electron. Electrolyte substance specifically designed so ions can pass through it, electron cannot. Ferrite electrons travel through wire creating electric current. Ions travel through the electrolyte to the cathode. Once reaching cathode, ions reunited with electrons react with third chemical, usually oxygen, create water or carbon dioxide. Now, what is the use of fuel cell and why it is used? Actually, fuel cell is used for pollution free or pure hydrogen is used as a fuel, and the only byproduct are water and heat. Does work of both a combustion engine, chemical engineer, chemical energy to electrical energy to mechanical energy, and a battery chemical to electrical, but with more efficiency and longer lifespan. Longer lifespan as no moving parts, therefore no wear and tear. Efficiency can be increased if fuel cell incorporates thermal cogenerations. Harnessing thermal output to run turbines, therefore additional electricity produced. Fuel cell history. 1839, the first fuel cell was created by Sir William Grove, which he called the gas balloons. 1889, Charles Langer and Ludwig Mont took William Grover's fuel cell invention and refined it and started referring to it as a fuel cell. Now, in 1932, Francis Bacon makes the first functional fuel cell. In 1950, General Electric creates the PEM fuel cell. In 1959, Francis Bacon shows off his 5 kilowatt alkaline fuel cell. Then 1960, NASA starts using fuel cell in space. 1970, oil crisis causes fuel cell popularity to increase. 1980, United States Navy starts to equip submarines with fuel cells. 1990, stationary fuel cells are used to power buildings. In 2005, fuel cell start becoming available to the public. From 2005, fuel cell will be common in the terms of bikes or cars. Fuel cell keynotes. Fuel cell started with Sir William Grove in 1839. The term fuel cell was coined by the chemist Ludwig Mont and Charles Langer in 1889 as they attempted to build the first practical device using air and industrial coal gas. It was not too successful initially because not enough was known about electricity. The first success was by Francis Bacon in 1932, alkaline fuel cell system with porous electrodes. In 1950, fuel cells were used in the Apollo space program. Reason for space use: nuclear too dangerous, solar too bulky, batteries too heavy. Fuel cells used in Apollo, Gemini, and space shuttles. For fuel cell vehicles, General Motors developed a 6-passenger Electro van in 1967, but only for use on company property due to safety reasons. Thank you.